All right, let me show you how to rotate a shape in Unity. So let's create a new C# script and call it a rotator. Open it up. Let's remove the start function as I won't be using it. Let's serialize a new vector3, call it rotation. Now in the update function, access your transform and call the rotate function. Pass in your rotation. Let's times it by time.delta time just to keep it consistent across all frame rates. And that's actually all you need for a simple rotate script. So let's just put the rotator on our shape. Let's rotate it by 10 on the X, 10 on the Y per frame. And there you go. And at runtime, you can speed it up. You go really fast. That. But we can improve on this. So go back to your script. Let's serialize a float for the speed. And now what we'll do is we'll multiply rotation by speed by time.delta time, and basically we'll keep this as a normalized vector3. So instead of putting our speed in the actual vector, we'll put it in our speed variable here. So now you can just speed it up from the speed variable like that. Another thing you can do is actually rotate it by input. So you could say if input get key, and we'll say A. And what we'll do is we'll change our rotation equals to vector3 up. Else if we press D, down. Otherwise, let's just set our rotation to be 0. And then we don't actually need the serialized field here because we're not exposing it in the editor. Back to Unity, speed up our rotation a little bit. And there you go. Left and right. So if you learned something, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.